Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back, 99 family. I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for being a part of the family, and thank you all again for all the likes, the comments, the subscribe, and all the support that you guys have offered to the channel. Today we're going to be covering another personal finance topic. As you guys can see on the screen, it's going to be something offered by Navy Federal Credit Union, and I felt like from the comments that I've been getting lately, asking about installment loans and personal loans and things of that nature, this would be the perfect video to go on while we were still on the topic of Navy Federal Credit Union. Again, if you're new to this channel, we talk about personal finance, business finance, and professional development. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go ahead and come off the screen and let you guys see full screen what's going on with Navy Federal Credit Union and their loan products. So when you come to their website, you can go here to personal loans, and we're just going to go over their personal loans options one at a time. You have this personal expense loan, so it's basically just a normal regular personal loan that you get from any other financial institution. As soon as you get approved for these loans, the funds do instantly clear into your bank account. So as soon as you sign your promissory note, or if you do this in a bank and you sign your promissory note, as soon as you do that, those funds are immediately cleared into either your checking or savings account. So you have no need to worry about that. The online application takes a few minutes. It usually takes them a few hours to review your application, and after a couple hours, after about 2-3 hours, if you call back, you should be able to get your final decision. A good thing about a personal loan is you don't really have to too much show why you're getting that loan or anything, or you don't really have to have any collateral. It's just funds that the bank is willing to give to you. In this case, Navy Federal is offering between $250,000 to $50,000 in personal loans. You can go with terms from 6 months all the way up to 60 months. Your interest rate will be chosen by the bank, of course, or the credit union. However, it's variable. If you do up to 36 months, which is 3 years to pay it back, it's between 7.49 and 18%. If you do if you do 37 to 60 months, it's 14.79 to 18%, which are pretty good interest rates as far as a personal loan is concerned. And they give you a decent amount of time to pay it back. So these are definitely good options and routes to go as far as if you're just looking for a personal loan on your credit. You can prepay any of these loans that are offered on the website through Navy Federal. So with having these loans available to you, you are able to pay ahead, and it won't actually cut down your future payments. It'll set your date forward, and then that way you don't have to worry about losing credit age. As long as you keep a small balance, you can keep this loan open to term. The next type of loan we're going to talk about here is a home improvement loan. This is a loan you can get with cash to improve your home, do any home repairs. The minimum loan that they're going to offer here is $25,000. There's still no collateral required. You can use this for remodeling your home repairs, or any upgrades or anything within your home. And then if you want to go for a longer term of 61 to 84 months, again, that's going to give you a $25,000 minimum. It's a $30,000 minimum if you want to go 85 to 180 months. These loans do have longer terms than their typical personal loans, but again, there's still no collateral required on these loans. And interest rates vary from 7.49 to 18%, depending on the term that you choose. So you really can't beat those out. The next one, and these are great, is a debt consolidation loan. If you want to pay off all of your old debts in one good loan while building positive payment history and cutting off all those negative trade lines, this is a good way to go for it. Especially if you can get those banks to settle out with you that you may have negative debts with, or goodwill or whatever, for paying them off. This is a great option to go. They offer the same as the personal loan. The loan amounts are from $250,000 to $50,000, and from 7.49 to 18%. Okay, here is the big boy loan that we talked about before on the channel, the share secured loan. This particular loan is a loan that is secured by your Navy Federal savings account. So you put the money up front, they give it back to you. While your money is being held as collateral while it's being secured, you do actually earn your interest on it. However, your APR is that interest plus 2% or plus 3%. So you're really only paying 2 or 3% on that share secured loan, depending on how long of a term that you take. And this is also dependent on how much money that you put down on that particular loan. I have a whole nother video breaking down the time frames and everything for how long of a loan you can get depending on how much money. Make sure you check that video out. It was posted a couple days ago. And then now we're moving into the certificate for secured loan. This particular loan is basically the same as the share secured loan. However, this is for certificate. So whether you have an easy start certificate with Navy Federal, or if you have a different certificate of deposit with Navy Federal, any CDs with them, you can actually use those in their balance to secure and get a secured loan through Navy Federal from your certificate. It will charge you, again, the interest you're earning off of that certificate plus 2%. However, it is another option that is available to you. Just kind of going a little bit further in depth to talk about their application process and the things that you need. This is really all it is. How much you want to borrow, how long you want your term to be, your employer, your income, your contact information, so your phone number and your email, and it will also ask you for your address. And then if you do have a co-applicant, it'll ask you for your co-applicant's information. Other than that, that's pretty much all they ask you for. The application is pretty straightforward, very easy for you to use, and just a great loan to get if you can get through a great financial institution. There's plenty of opportunity with Navy Federal, and I'm just trying to allow you guys to see the different products that they have available to you, and briefly discuss them. I do have a personal loan through them currently. I have prepaid it down. I also have a shared secured loan that I've prepaid down. It's good to build up that that credit history, extend your credit age out, and have a good account mix. They're great for if you're trying to invest in something or anything like that, where you can quickly get this money and make a flip, and earn back more than that 7 to 18% interest rate in a short period of time, because the funds are cleared immediately after you're approved, which could be in as little as a few seconds or all the way up to a few hours. Again, check these out if you're able to join Navy Federal Credit Union. Thank you all for watching, and peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video.